gonna make a quick salad to go with my chicken. So right now I have a head of romaine lettuce. I'll cut it as fine as I can because I don't like my salad too chunky. I like it fine. I like the lettuce to be fine actually, not the salad. So I'm gonna just cut that up, and then I'm gonna mix the romaine with spinach. I'm gonna just add some spinach to this bowl here. Really easy salad. Just mix them together just to get that and then I'm going to add some mandarin oranges, some cherry tomatoes. These I like to cut them, but you can leave them whole also. Put some whole in there. And I have some craisins, dried cranberries. So that's what I say, it's a very colorful salad. And my last ingredient is some feta cheese. I love feta cheese on my salad, so I'm just gonna sprinkle that feta cheese on there. And this is a really easy salad. And then I'm gonna make a salad dressing to go with this. So you see, it's a nice easy salad. Now I'm gonna make some salad dressing. So I'm gonna add in some apple cider vinegar, some olive oil, lemon juice, and you could adjust this as you like your liking. And then I'm gonna add a little Dijon mustard. Just taste it and adjust it. I like my salad more on the sweeter side, so I usually just add more honey. But for now, let's see. Just an easy salad dressing to put on the salad. Now you could use, I like this dressing called sweet vanilla onion dressing. I'm not sure if I have it in my fridge, but I love that dressing. You get it at Walmart or grocery store. I don't have any, but when I don't make it, I usually use that one. This is mixed in. I add a little black pepper and a little salt. The salt kind of balances off the vinegar and stuff. It just gives it a nice flavor. So I have pink Himalayan pink salt that I'm using, so I just put a pinch of that in there. Something about the salt just brings in a nice flavor to the salad dressing. And now my dressing is ready for my salad, and I'm ready to eat it. I don't really put it on there because it gets soggy, and that's all to it. I hope you tried it.